Taoiseach, in just 4 days, your rent hike bill comes into effect. Your legislation allows landlords to hike up rents to the market rate, and renters will be hit with massive rent increases, the likes of which we've never seen before. We know that corporate landlords and vulture funds are rubbing their hands in glee, popping champagne corks at the thought of the huge profits they stand to make as a direct result of your legislation. They're not even hiding it. It's here in black and white. In a presentation to their investors by Ires Reit, the largest corporate landlord in the country with thousands of properties, this presentation sets out what they can now do as a result of your new rent hike bill. And they've told investors that they will be able to increase new rents by a staggering 25%. They're predicting a 25% potential rental income uplift with minimal added costs. That's a direct quote, Taoiseach. This paints a frightening picture of the size of the rent increases coming down the tracks due to your decisions. The property funds are set for a bonanza. This company is telling their investors that they stand to make an extra €21 million in rents every year once your legislation flows through. And just imagine what that means for renters, faced with a 25% hike in rent. What would this mean for somebody paying the average rent? Well, it means having to find more than €5,000 extra a year. That's just to cover this increase. Taoiseach, do you know any renter able to afford that kind of increase on their already extortionate rent? Because I certainly don't. 2 weeks ago, I warned that your legislation would give a big payday to corporate landlords, and you said that I was wrong. You said that this was all about providing stability for renters. Now, how in the name of God is allowing renters to be hit with a 25% increase providing them with stability? But of course, your legislation was never about stability for renters. It was always about feathering the nests of the big property funds. And now, Taoiseach, you've been found out. Now we see the proof straight from the horse's mouth. The biggest corporate landlord in Ireland is saying out loud the very thing that you denied. They will make a fortune from your legislation, all on the backs of renters. This is a recipe for disaster in the lives of workers, of families, of our young people. And you're doing it with your eyes wide open, with all the proof of who will benefit on the table for all of us to see. Ní éadach leis an tíorna talúna smó sa tír a bhí a bheith níos soléire, gur féidir le cíos a ordú 25 fan géad mar thora mhór reachtaíocht. Cathair stop a chur leis na hardaithe ulmhóra seo. Taoiseach, do you accept what the largest landlord in the country is saying, that they will be able to hike new rents by 25% as a result of your legislation, an increase that will be a breaking point for so many? This is what your rent hike bill is facilitating. You simply cannot allow this to happen. So will you now intervene to stop renters being crushed by these massive increases?